student. I'm the maths teacher of Dar.e.Arqam school. Today we are going to start the first chapter of maths, which is Introduction to Set. So what is set? Anyone know what is set? So now I'm going to tell you what is set. Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. So what was the meaning of collection, well-defined and distinct? An object will come in everyone's mind. First of all, you will know what is collection. Collection may be of anything. It will be the collection of pencils, collection of pens, collection of keychains, collections of keys, collection of rupees of different countries. And what was the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means that it will be properly defined, properly described for everyone, or properly described for everyone. Okay. For example, if I am saying that the planets of solar system, so it was this set was properly defined for everyone. Everyone know that there are how many planets in the solar system. What was the name of the planet? If I am saying that honest people of class 7A, suppose I am considering one student the most honest student of that class, but it is not honest for the other teachers. So well defined means that it was properly described and everyone will believed in it. And this, what was the meaning of distinct? Distinct mean different. Every element, object mean element, every element of the set will be different. Now here this is a collection of word, collection of animals. The collection may be of living things or non-living things. Here it is a collection of non-living things, that all elements. And how it is well defined, how it is well defined. Everyone knows that it is a cat, it is a horse, it is a whale, it is an elephant. It will be well defined and distinct, that in this set of animals all the animals are different. Okay, no element is no animal is same. So these animals of this set are form a set. A set is only formed when it has three qualities. It is a collection of anything, then it will be well defined, and all the elements of the set are distinct. Okay, then it will be called a set. A collection of a group of things, well defined, clearly described and distinct. Okay, and what was the meaning of object? Elements of the set. Hope you understand what is set. Okay, suppose the element of the sets will non-repeatable. Suppose I have a set of numbers 1 2 3 4. The every number of the set will be written once. Okay, 1 will be written once, 2 will be written once. If I have a set of alphabets of a word banana, so B, A and N will be written once. No letter will be written repetitively. So then it is called a set. Okay. Hope you understand what is set. Now move to, forward. What are the examples? Suppose you wear the item you wear, like a hat, shirt, jacket, pant, and so on. So if I am saying that the school uniform you wear in Dar.e.Arqam school, the uniform of Dar.e.Arqam school, everyone know it is a collection. How it is a collection? The uniform contain a shirt, pant, shoes, belt, socks, and all that. And how it is well defined? Every student know that in the uniform there is a white shirt, which color pant you will know, that which color belt, socks are allowed in the school. So it is well defined and distinct. How the set is distinct? The set is distinct uh, like a shirt, you have written the shirt, pant, belt, socks once in the set. So uh, the uniform of Dar.e.Arqam school is set because it possesses all the three qualities. It is a collection, then it is well defined and distinct, so it is called a set. Okay. Now, what is the set of all fingers? Everyone have hands. So, I am saying that set of fingers, if you see your one hand, set of finger will be a collection of fingers. It is correct. Okay. In the collection of fingers, everyone know there is a thumb, there is a middle finger, there is a little finger, and so on. So it is well defined how that it is a collection of fingers. Distinct, everyone, how it is well defined, everyone know that this is called thumb, this is called little finger, and this is called middle finger. Okay. And how it is distinct, all the element of the set are different from each other, no one is repeated in the set. So the set of fingers, this is a set of finger: thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. How you represent a set? Now I am here how I have written the set I have now I have explained it in further in the lecture. Representation of a set. Set, how I represent a set. The set is named by a capital letter. You will use any letter from ABC, A to Z, but it will be capital. Okay. The next condition is that the element of the set which was written in the set, they are all the element of the set are represented by lowercase letters. The element which you are writing in the set, they are always in lowercase, and the element are placed within the curly bracket and separated by commas. Suppose remember I have given you the example before that a set of fingers P. Here P is representing what? P is representing the set name. P represent the set name. Then I put the sign of equal to sign, and here thumb, index, middle, ring, and little are the elements of the set, and they are separated by which sign? This sign, comma, and they are always written in curly bracket. Now I am giving you another example. There are numbers, these 3, 6, 91. These are the element of sets. They are separated by commas, and this dot 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 shows the set goes to infinity. If whenever in a set there are put dot 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 in the end of the set, it shows the set goes to infinity. This is infinite set. If and the above set is finite, because at the end of the set there is no dot dot dot. If at the end of the set there are present dot dot dot, then it goes to infinity. This is finite set and this is infinite set. The name of this set is P and the name of this set is Q. The element of this set is thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring, and little. And the element of this set is 3, 6, and 91. Now I hope you understand how you represent a set by a capital letter. What are the element of the set? How the set is finite and infinite? Whenever there is no dot at the end of the set, it is finite, and when we put dot 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 at the end of the set in the curly bracket, it shows the set goes to infinity. Okay, thank you. Hope you understand whatever we have studied today. Allah Hafiz.